Hello everyone. Hello, good morning. So much hello, hi you have done among yourself. Hello. Hello, check. So we are again back. So gift going on. Gift is not getting finished only. We are distributing to all. CBSE, ICSE, State Board. So many people have joined new who missed their classes in the beginning. Likita, Chetan, Hatmika, Hasika, Gokul. Gokul, I think you attended the class before also. Janvi, Lakshmi, Khalil, Dinesh. Hello. Good morning. Hi. Saiti, Raghuram. So, those who have attended the classes already, they know कि we discuss basic point in these gift classes. That is a transition between class 10th and class 11. Means you got the results now, I think. 10th people, you got the results. Namaste. Do less hi hello among yourself. Do more with me. I will help you. Your friend will not help you. Clear? Madhurya. So today we have started a bit late also. Another class was going on. So it's good, na? You can see what will come in future also. Like when you will give your NEET exam in 2027, for you also there will be marathon classes, go fire classes. And at that time again, 2027 fresher people will be attending gift classes. So you can see things changes. No sir for SSC Telangana. Chalo aajo. No problem. So let's start. What we will start? They have told you something ki what we will study in these classes. This week you will have organic. Okay, so we'll try to tell basic things. Those who have already attended the classes, they are having these things. How many of you people already attended the classes in the first round, you can say? Those who have already attended the classes, give a like once. I will see how many are there. Those who have already attended the classes before. Ajay, Snehita, Zolo. Teja, Lasya. Okay. So many are there. Many are new also. Those who are new, now they give a like. Like means press the like button. Those who are new, we will see how many are new, how many are old. Pranavi attended. Tejashwini, Fiona. Chalo, theek hai. So let's start. So what we will do today, we will talk today about catenation. We will talk today something new also. I will tell you this time, like homologous series. Homologous series we have not told you at that time. So now I will tell you homologous series. Pranitha, Venkat, Jayalakshmi, Harika, Matthias, Archana, Ajay, Narendra, Mamta, Ammu, human being, Homo sapiens. मैग्निफेरा इंडिका, पैंथेरा टिग्रिस. चलो, so first we will talk about catenation. Catenation tendency. Everything we are studying this organic due to this property of carbon only. That is your catenation. Just now, class started just now. Those who are joining, it was scheduled from 10:30. We are starting at 10:50. 20 minutes extra we have given you for eating and doing time pass. So now for 1 hour, study nicely. Self-linking process. Good. You can say, sir, catenation, so I know we have studied in class 8, 9, 10th also. This is not a new topic. This is self-linking ability of an atom. Self-linking ability. Self-linking ability means what? One atom will combine with itself. It can be by single bond, it can be by double bond, it can be by triple bond. Anything. Self-linking. With other atoms also you can connect. But here catenation means self-linking capability. We are connecting with self. One carbon connecting with other carbon, one nitrogen connecting with other nitrogen, one phosphorus connecting with other phosphorus. This catenation tendency is very high for carbon. Catenation tendency is very high. Very high for whom? Very high for carbon. Why? Due to बताओ क्या? Tell me 1, 2, 3, 4 reasons. Anything you know? Those people who have already attended, this is like a revision for you. So we will see you have forgotten everything in this few days only, because in NEET so they will ask you by 2-year syllabus. In NEET they will ask you 2-year syllabus and you are forgetting 1 month only. Tetravalency. Sir, carbon can form so many bonds. How many bonds? 4 bonds. So tetravalency of carbon is one of the point. Sir, rest element to forming 1, 2, 3 bonds only. Carbon can form 4 bonds. Okay. Small size of carbon, sir, helps him. Take a by small size is there. Very good. What else? Those who have attended, you can see from your notes also. If you have forgotten, you can see from your notes also. Isomerase नहीं बोलेगा भाई, isomerase नहीं. Covalent bond, silicon right, chapter name, just write basic organic. Covalent bonding, ठीक है? You can say strong bond. Carbon bond is strong. You can say carbon bond energy. Strong bond means what? Ki bond energy is high. Bond energy is high. Bond energy is high. नहीं, basic principle and technique नहीं. That is the large, big thing. You can just write basics of organic, which is equivalent to alphabets of English. As you study A, B, C, D first, this is the A, B, C, D of organic chemistry. Bond energy is high. We will also discuss the relation between bond energy and bond length. अब बताओ, any other point you remember? बोलो भाई. Any other point? Any other point? Nagaraju is writing one of the point. Very important point, sir. Carbon can form multiple bonds also. Carbon pi bonds. Yes, pi bond, that is only multiple bonds. Carbon can form multiple bonds. Single bond also, okay. Double bond also, okay. Triple bond also, okay. See? So carbon can do this type of magic. Rest elements नहीं. क्या सोडियम बनाएगा? Double bond. Covalent bond only not there. Phosphorus triple bond. You have never seen it. Oxygen triple bond देखा है? No. So this is the power of carbon only. It can form single, double, triple. Like we have in our life now, one child having so many friends, other able to make very less friends. So this is their talent. One can manage many, whereas others can manage one, two only. Understood? So these 4 points help carbon in making variety of bonds, and variety of bond means variety of compounds. Clear? And then it becomes organic chemistry, and then we study for 2 years, which comes in NEET. Everywhere they will say organic, we are organic, pen is organic, that is organic, everything is organic. Without organic thing, you cannot imagine the world. They will write in NCERT ki carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen containing compounds. So in these classes, we will also see NCERT questions. NCERT, very important for NEET exam. NCERT is the syllabus for NEET exam. They don't ask beyond NCERT. Okay? So NCERT also I will show you solved example, exercise questions we will try to see. Okay? Chalo aa jao. So today we have to mainly focus on this point, formula. Sir, what is formula? Means molecular formula. I have heard different words. Molecular formula, structural formula. In structural formula also, sir, I have heard many words like expanded, condensed, bond line. These things are there. 2 weeks more, Gokul. चलो आया. So we will talk about molecular formula. बताओ, what do you know about molecular formula? बताओ, what do you know about molecular formula? You will say, sir, array, you have not seen these things. कि sir, water, glucose, sucrose. Sucrose का formula बताओ, पता है? Sucrose, sugar. Cane sugar. Morning only you are drinking tea, putting sugar. What is the formula of sugar? बताओ तो. Do you know it? Put upper. C12H22 by H24. One child writing H24. C12H22O11. This is sucrose. There we will learn molecular mass 342, glucose molecular mass 180. So many things are there. This is just the beginning. So molecular formula, these are molecular formula. Achha, what you come to know from this? Arey sir, I am knowing types of atom here. Like carbon is there, hydrogen is there, oxygen is there. I am able to know about types of element, which elements are combining to form the molecule. And I am also knowing exact number, how many atoms, like carbon 12 atoms will come, hydrogen 22 atoms will come, oxygen 11 atoms will be there. All these will combine to form sucrose. C12H22O11. So what you can write this? This is the formula. This is the formula. Which tells us what it tells us. It tells us about type of atoms. Type of atoms bolo, elements bolo, type of atoms combining, and their exact number, because you know there is one more formula. You remember empirical formula? याद है, सुना है? Have you heard about this before? Empirical formula नाम तो सुना ही होगा. बताओ, have you heard about empirical formula? Yes. So empirical formula also telling about type of atom, but what बताओ तो, what is the difference? It tells about the simplest whole number ratio. Simplest whole number ratio. Simplest whole number ratio. Like you know, simplest whole number ratio. So that is different thing. Leave it. We are now interested in molecular formula. So all of you have understood what is molecular formula. It tells about number of types of atom and their exact number. ठीक है भाई, आ जाओ नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्या बोलेगा? नेक्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला. स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला, ठीक है. What is this structural formula? We will also study homologous series. बताओ, how many of you have heard about homologous series? बताओ तो, how many of you have heard about homologous series? बताओ, सुना है? Tell. Homologous series you have heard? Wow, very good. Good, very good. Bolo. So we will talk about that also, don't worry. Structural formula. So structural formula, what you will say in structural formula? Sir, structural formula means structure. Structure means what? Sir, connectivity. Who is connected to whom? Structure formula means what you can say? It shows how the atoms are connected. You can say it shows how atoms are connected in a molecule. Atoms are connected. Atoms are connected in a molecule. How atoms are connected in a molecule? Methane, ethane. Okay, very good. Acha, you know, this structural formula can be divided in many parts. 3 variety, 3 types. What 3 types by? First one, expanded form. From the name only everything is clear. Expanded structure. The next one is condensed structure. Third one is bond line. Third one is which line? Bond line structure. Bond line structure. Okay? Very good, Russell. Organic chemistry differ by, organic compound differ by CH2 atomic mass 14. Very good, Dikshita. Homologous series, na? Okay. Hatmika also writing the same thing. Same family, but different by CH2 group. Very good. Bond line. Chalo, we'll come to those points also. So expanded form, condensed form, and bond line structure. These are all different ways of representing different structures. Expanded form means everything open, very clearly represented, everything showing. Bond line is the shortest type, you can say. These all are generated from laziness of the person, or laziness you can say, or you can say smart work. If we can do something easily, then why to do in a difficult manner? Like, see, I will show you. You know ethane, many people were writing, sir, ethane. You know propane. Chalo, I will tell you about ethane, propane also. Don't worry. Dekho. Acha, one thing you have to keep in mind every time. Ki carbon should have 4 bonds. Bhai, carbon should have 4 bonds. 4 bonds, that means what? It will have 8 electrons. You have already heard about the word octet. You have already heard about the word octet. Take na, 8 electron. 1 bond means 2 electrons. 4 bonds means 8. So everyone wants what? 8, 9 padi. 8. So carbon 4 bonds. 4 bonds means 8 electrons. So every time you have to think about 4 bonds of carbon now. If you are making 3 bonds, means wrong. ठीक है, चलो आ जाओ. So this is propane. After some days we will also study some name propane. Propane. Prop means 3 carbon, ane. ठीक है, so we'll come to this point, don't worry. Condensed form. Now some people will say, sir, this one very difficult, sir. I have to write so many bonds, dash 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 dash. Is there any shortcut? We will say yes. See, this is what CH3. This is what CS3. So I can simply write CS3. Done. Then what I will write? Middle one CH2, CH2, CH2. Last one again CH3. Last one again what? CH3. ठीक है? We don't need to show the middle bond also. Carbon carbon also bond not required. We don't show the bond here. Sometimes if different atoms are coming, we can write it, but generally we don't show the bonds. So this is propane. Now see, this is easier, na? This is easier. You are not showing any bond. Expanded form, we show every bond. Single bond, double bond, triple bond, every bond we show very clearly. Condensed form, we remove the bonds only. It is understood ki who is connected with whom. Some bonds we can show. Bond line is the magical one. Bond line structure is the magical one. Like if I write like this, what do you understand? Sir, this is V shape. Someone will say, sir, you have done time pass. Nothing. This means nothing. When we were child, then also we were drawing these things. But now, what is bond line? You know, they just show lines. Beginning is a carbon, ending is a carbon, every turn is a carbon. So there are 3 carbon in this, or this is the diagram of propane only. This is the structure of propane. Can you imagine? Now can you tell me which one is the best one? Which one you liked? Ki sir, this is so very good. I will draw like this only. Which one you liked? Batao. You want to write everything like expanded, or you want to write condensed, or you want to write bond line? See, all smart and lazy people. So that's why bond line is very famous, and we also write bond line only. Who will show everything? ठीक है ना? We don't do show off. Nah, no shosha. So here, but we have some problem. Here some understanding required. Like you will have to tell how many carbon are there. And you will have to imagine hydrogen. See, in this no hydrogen is visible. Can you see any hydrogen in bond line? बताओ. Bond line में कोई hydrogen दिख रहा है तुमको? Are you seeing any hydrogen in the bond line structure? No. Means what? Hydrogen is not there. Huh? You cannot see hydrogen. Means what? Hydrogen is not there. No, it is there. You will have to think like, see, this is 1 carbon. 1 carbon, 1 bond. We know that carbon forms 4 bonds. Then where are its 4 bonds? So here 3 bonds are hydrogen. Here 3 bonds are hydrogen. You will have to think like this. No one will show, no one will tell you. You will have to think. Then can you tell me how many hydrogen are at the middle carbon? बताओ तो यहाँ कितना hydrogen है? How many hydrogen are there in the middle carbon? बोलो. Who is writing 3? 2. You will say, sir, this carbon, 1 bond this side, 1 bond this side, 2 hypo in the 2 left, 2 bonds are hydrogen. 2 bonds are hydrogen. And this, sir, again same, 3 bonds are hydrogen. But these hydrogen no one will show. This to I have just written for your understanding, but no one will show. They will just write like this. ये हो गया by propane. This is propane. So now we will mainly focus on condensed form and bond line form. चलो, I am giving you the next bond line structure. देखना एक बार. Can you see this compound? बताओ, how many carbon are there? You have to tell me the formula of this compound. You have to tell me formula. Means how many carbon, how many hydrogen. So everyone writing 6 carbon, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon. Then you tell me hydrogen. Bolo bhai, hydrogen is there. You will say, sir, no hydrogen visible. No hydrogen is there. Is it correct? Bolo. No hydrogen visible. No hydrogen atoms are there. Is it correct? Bolo bhai, how many hydrogen? Eight, 12, you are writing anything? 12 is the correct answer. You will say, sir, every carbon is connected to 2 other carbon. Like focus. See. See here, everyone. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon, 6 carbon. And every carbon already connected to 2 carbon. Every carbon already connected to 2 carbon. Like this carbon, कहाँ गया भाई? This carbon already connected to 2 carbon. ठीक है? So 2 hydrogens are here. So everywhere 2 hydrogen. This structure can be also written like this: कि CH2, 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 CH2. Understood? Both are same thing. So C6H12. So by seeing any structure, you should be able to write its formula. By seeing any structure, you should be. Benzene नहीं है भाई ये. This is not benzene. बताओ, is this benzene? Those who are knowing something, can you tell, is this benzene? No, no. This is cyclohexane. So now you don't know these names. We will come to these points. Don't worry. Acha, one more thing you think, sir, here you have written CH2 and bond shown. Then is this hydrogen connected to carbon? Is this hydrogen connected to carbon? No. Now you will have to think these things on your own. Kya hydrogen to only one bond it can make. So I am writing like this doesn't mean that this hydrogen and carbon connected. You will have to think this carbon only connected. These 2 hydrogen are connected to this carbon. This is understood. Done. So tum batao. Tell me about this formula. ज़्यादा हो गया? Tell me the molecular formula of this compound. Let's see who is able to tell. Tell me molecular formula of this compound. First you tell me how many carbon atoms are there. Bolo, how many carbon atoms are there? And now we will also see how these questions are in NCERT. How these questions are in NCERT, that we will also see. How many carbon atoms are there? See, many people writing 4, many people writing 9. 4, 9, 4, 9. Batao. Then how we can tell? So 1 Every corner, every turning, every ending, every beginning, all are carbon. So carbon, 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 carbon. 4 carbon done. Then what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 carbon atoms are there. How many carbon atoms are there? 9 carbon. Are you able to understand this? So C9. Now it's time to tell hydrogen atoms. Now it's time to tell hydrogen atom. Batao, how many hydrogen atoms are there? How many hydrogen atoms are there? So many comments I am seeing. Comments are going like this. Sat, 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 sat. 18, 28, 22, 17. Easy? Huh? Enjoying? So you will have to think like this. See, wherever carbon is at last, terminal, you can say this terminal, means one bond with carbon, rest 3 are hydrogen. So I am marking here how many hydrogen are there. Chalo tum batana. Tum bolo bhai. How many hydrogen here? 2. Now you have to tell. I will ask you the positions. You have to tell me how many hydrogen there. See, one point is very important. More you reply in class, more you will understand. This is for future only. Also, I am telling you. See, whenever you join the offline classes, if you will reply more in class, more you will understand. If you are just sitting like this and looking on the board, you will not understand anything. And after a few days, you will also feel like, what he is teaching, these things are of no use. I was better at my home only, eating something, sleeping. So these things will start coming in your mind. So try to reply. Every time, whenever teacher asking something, reply. Correct or wrong, who cares? चलो बताओ इधर इधर भाई इधर आ जाओ. How many carbon? 2. इधर इधर how many carbon here? जल्दी बोलो. How many carbon here? This point. सुनना. अरे all 4 तो done ना भाई. That's why I told you कि 1 carbon connected to 4 carbon. 1 4 4 4 4 4 4 4. Done. How many here? इधर बताओ. How many here? Carbon can form maximum 4 bonds. So this is terminal. You will see, sir, 1 bond. So I am seeing 3 bonds missing. 3 bonds are hydrogen. Here 3, here 3, here 3. Sir, this one again 0. Bolo. Now this one you have to tell. Here also 3. Chalo last. Last. Everyone should say it correct now. This carbon, how many hydrogen? Okati. So total, correct na? 12 to 14, 15, 15, 3, 18 came, C9H18. So like this, you have to see the formulas and all. Okay? Okay, so this is about bond line. Okay? Let's talk about some condensed structures also. Let's talk about some condensed structures also. NCRT structures. They will write like this: CH3, CH2 6 times, and CH3. But what is the formula of this compound? What do you mean by this? CH3, CH2 6 times. Bracket is there, and then CH3. Talking among yourself. Huh? Well, how many carbon? You will say, sir, 1 carbon here, 1 carbon here. This is condensed form. Which form is this? Batao to. Here I am showing you carbon, hydrogen, all. This is condensed form, expanded form, or bond line? You will say, sir, condensed. Carbon, hydrogen showing na means condensed, and bond you are not showing means condensed. So I can tell one carbon here, CH2 6 times. So 6 carbon here, 2 carbon here. So this is equal to 6, 8. C8, na? And how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen. And CH2 6 times. So 12 hydrogen here. So this is H18. नहीं बताओ 12 plus 6 18. अच्छा, how I can represent this in bond line? Later on you will study कि this is octane. This compound name is octane. Oct means 8 carbon, ane, alkane, octane. ठीक है? Can you draw its bond line structure? Yes sir, very easy. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is octane. See, very good. People will think, "Arey sir, this is the only zigzag, 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 zigzag." But this is octane. Okay, so we make zigzag like this only. Bond line structure we make zigzag like this. ठीक ना? Every beginning, every ending, every turning, all are carbon. Is it okay? Yes sir, yes sir. Done. So easy. All of you are able to understand? Bolo. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Hydrogen understood. Chalo, come to the next part. So next I will again write one condensed structure, but a bit difficult now. You have to write expanded form of this also. Suppose if I write CH3CH, and then I'm writing again CH3, then I'm writing CH2, then I'm writing CCH3 whole thrice. Bolo, what is this? Can you imagine? Tell me the formula first. First you tell me formula. What is the formula? This is the best question. Okay, na? Let's see how many of you will be able to do. Many people will not be able to do. Okay, na? Class started from 10:50. Okay, so we will study more. At least till 11:45. अच्छा, first class for many people. तो चलो ठीक है, 11:40 I will teach. 5 minutes we will talk about your life. How is it going on? बोलो भाई, 10th results are not out. How you are feeling now? बोलो, रिजल्ट तो आया नहीं है, कैसा लग रहा है? This is also octane. Huh? CBSE results are out. No board, na? I think every board results, 10th results comes in what? May. Last week of May time, I think it is. 13, 14 May onwards, it may happen. Senior secondary, na? 12th are out, I think. 10th? 10th you are saying only, na? No. Enjoy this vacation time at your home. Eat nicely. Study also something. Because once you will move out from your home to any college, junior college, then you will be away from your family. ठीक है ना? बिल्लो बगे बगिया दिक्की करेंगे, हाँ? बगे बगे बिल्लियां दिक्की करेंगे. Who wrote that thing? Dragon. Kaka. Engineering, do engineering. You can do plain graduation also. Sleep also nicely. Now you can sleep also nicely at your home, no problem. This is the time which you can spend in any way you want, because this period you are not going to get again. Exercise also. ठीक है? हाँ चलो, so much time pass, so many rubbish things we have talked now. Focus here. अब देखो, बताओ how many of you are able to tell the formula? Some people तो writing C8. आ जाओ भाई, आ जाओ, come back, आ जाओ. Enough. So we have to talk also, we have to study also. Studies are important. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon, 5 and 3, 8 carbon. Array, then again formula looking same only na, C8H18. So see, I have written the same formula but in a different way. I have written the same formula but in a different way. ठीक है? Later on you will study the word isomerism. This is the isomer of that. तो बताओ इसमें who is connected where? Many people, suno. Many people will write like this, कि sir, what is difficulty in this? This तो same thing, sir. I will write like this: CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, C, then again CS3, CS3, CS3. Bolo, is this correct? See, sir, I have written 8 carbon. Is this correct? बोलो नहीं ना. No. See what mistake you have done. See this carbon, how many bonds you have made? This carbon, how many bonds you can see? कि sir 3 bonds to hydrogen, 1 2 3, and 1 on the left side, 1 on the right side. Sir, you have made 5 bonds. This is wrong. ठीक है? So what we do in this, कि if CS3 is there, never write this in middle. If CS3 is there, then never write this in the middle. Next है शेड्यूल में है लेकिन चलो ठीक है. So one thing you have to keep in mind कि CS3 don't put in middle. CS3 means 3 bonds already done, only 1 bond left, so that will be at terminal only. So this is all wrong. Then how to write this? How you will write? See, I have told you clearly, every time take care, carbon should have 4 bonds. See this carbon, can you see? Bond missing. So what I have to do, I will write first CH3, okay. Then I will write CH, okay. Then what? CH3, already 3 bonds done, 1 bond left. So this will be terminal part. Put it here. Done. Now again next CH2 no problem. 2 bonds already done. So 1 left, 1 right. Again come here. Only C written. Only C written. 1 bond I can see. Where are rest 3 bonds? So rest 3 bonds are CH3. So this is the diagram. This is the structure. So 2-3 points we have to keep in mind. Carbon bond should not be more than 4. If CH3 is there, it is always terminal. CH2 is there, it can be in middle. Clear? Achha, how to draw its bond line? Now bond line very easy. You can say like this, ki sir, I will write 1 2 3 4. Wherever you want to write, write. Nomenclature we are not studying now. ठीक है ना, you can write from left, you can write from right, your choice now. चलो I am writing like this 1 2 3 4 5. So you can say कि sir 5 carbon, तो I will make like this 1 2 3 4 5. See, all looking similar. Now what? Wherever C is there you do some branching. Wherever CS3 group is there you do some branching. Then done. हो गया. So this is the bond line structure. This is the bond line structure. We will practice more structures like this and we will be able to make bond line structure in 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Less than that also. ठीक है? So practice will be required. So in the next class we will continue this topic and we will study some NCERT examples. Ki is this related to NCERT or not? Sir, these things coming in NEET or not? Is it there in NCERT exercise or not? Are you telling anything else? All rubbish things, sir, not in NCERT. So in next class we will show you ki these all things are in NCERT. And not only one time, so many times. Okay? Clear? So that's all for the first lecture, I think. So much we have studied. So you also see this one. And in the next class, you tell me what will be the formula of this compound. So this is a homework for you. This is a cube. You have to tell me molecular formula in the next class. Okay? So enough for today. Thanks everyone. Bye bye. Chalo, done. Good. Study nicely. Enjoy at your home. This period is very crucial. Thank you.